Hello everyone! In today's video we are going to learn different recipes of face masks that are going to calm your skin down after the day under the sun. In my previous video I shared with you recipes of rejuvenating and brightening face masks. The recipes were very easy but very effective. And I forgot to mention that those recipes you can use to make a body scrub. If you've tried those face masks out already, please comment below this video about your experience. And in today's video, I'm going to tell about face masks that are going to be useful in summer, when the sun is very active and sometimes it's impossible to fully protect your skin from it. For the first face mask, we are going to use linen seeds. Linen has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and regenerating properties, which is great as a first aid to our skin. We are going to need 1 tablespoon of linen seeds. Then add half a cup of hot water to it and let it sit. Then we are going to need a cloth face mask. I've already told you how to make them in one of my previous videos, and it's going to be linked in the description below the video. As soon as the liquid cools down, soak the mask in it and apply it to your face. I recommend using the cloth mask because it's more convenient. The liquid doesn't dry out and pull your skin. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and you can do it even twice a day. For the next face mask, we are going to use cucumbers. Cucumber helps releasing pain, swelling, and redness. It cools down our skin, and because it has some antioxidants in it, helps faster skin regeneration. There are several recipes out of cucumbers. For the first one, you can blend the cucumber, squeeze out the juice, and soak your cloth face mask in this juice. Do it twice a day and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. For the second face mask out of cucumber, we are going to need oat flour or cornstarch. Those ingredients help releasing inflammation and irritation. So I got oat flakes, put them into a coffee grater to get flour. Added the flour to the cucumber juice, mix it all together, and apply it to your skin. Always apply your face masks to the clean skin. It has a nice cooling, refreshing effect. Takes away the redness. As you can see, this face mask is especially helpful for me today because I spent my whole weekend under the sun. You can apply this face mask to the area around your eyes. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. And it's very easy to rinse it off with cool water at the end. You can also apply it to your neck and neckline. And now I want to remind you about face massages and face gymnastics. In one of my previous videos, I have already shared with you about the techniques you can do and the ones you should avoid when your skin is especially irritated. I'm going to link this video below. And if you have already seen this video, comment below if you're using the techniques that I mentioned there. Important point, you should only use these face masks if you got a light sunburn. If you got a more severe sunburn When your skin got bubbles and is pulsating, then better go to the doctor and don't do any self-treatments. Avoid any overly oily products because they form a very thick layer of film on your skin. It doesn't let any air through and interrupts the heat exchange. And instead of cooling down, your skin just heats up and it makes the situation even worse. Also, most of the oily substances are not sterile, which means a lot of bacteria and infection can be spread and multiplicated in this environment. Now that I've rinsed off my face mask, I can already see how my skin got fresher and calmed down. After that, you can use cold green tea as a toner and apply your favorite cooling down gel. My personal favorite after the sun is aloe vera. If you found this video useful, make sure that you leave a comment below, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, like this video and share it with your friends. And make sure that you click the notification bell to see our newest videos.